title tag is one of the most important tag inside a head tag. Now its purpose is to display the title on the tab. So let me name this as a table exercise or the title exercise. So that's what you see here. Now there are a few reasons for using a title tag. Now just imagine you open a website, there is no title. Well, it doesn't look nice, right? So all you end up is a file name. Now, if I have the title exercise, if I try to bookmark this website or this page, okay, I didn't refresh it. Now, when you try to bookmark this page, title exercise, the title I gave is what will be saved in the bookmarks. And the most useful part of it is in this search part. So if in Google, when you search something, these text, these links, right? The title is what you see here. So look at it. So this site or this page has a title called random number generator. So when you search in your Google search bar, the title is what it tries to match. Obviously, it also tries to match the content inside it. But in the results, the title is what you see here. To make it easier for the user to understand the page. So random number generator is the purpose of this page. So that is why the title. So the title makes sense in a lot of ways.